Yes, teacher Navasa. Today we are going to answer a question which came in PLE 2016 and of course by Riverflow International. My name is teacher Navasa. We go. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to look at this question and we're going to use one of the items made at Riverflow International. The diagram below is of a human urinary system. Study and use it to answer the questions that follow. So this is the drawing, and of course before we answer the questions I always want us to understand. Now these two parts, this one is this and this, and we know that these are kidneys. So we'll say this one is a kidney. Now this part which is labeled S is this one which comes from the kidney and connects down here, and we call this one a ureter. A ureter. Now, learners or anyone, many people always forget and say urethra. And urethra is in the reproductive system, not in excretory system. And then we have this one, which we call a urinary bladder. Now, if we were marking learners for primary, even if a learner said bladder, it would be good they also add a mark because they already have the concept. Now let's look at part A. Name the parts marked S and T. We already know them. We know S is a ureter. S is this part. This tube that connects a kidney to the urinary bladder is the one we call ureter. Now then T, which is this one, it is actually the one we call a urinary bladder. But like I said, if the learner said bladder, I would mark. I don't know what you think. You can put your idea in the comment section. Part B says, what is the function of part marked R? This R, which is this one. This is the kidney. The bean shaped, you can see it is in a shape of a bean, and of course becomes the blood vessels, one bringing blood, another one taking blood out. What is the function of part R? We want to see what are the functions of kidneys. Usually, when you talk about the kidney, you are looking at an organ that filters blood, removes waste, and then the waste is used to make urine. So I always say to filter blood and form urine. To filter blood and form urine. That is what I always say. But remember, as it filters blood, it is removing wastes. Okay? So then also it removes excess. It also removes excess water and salts. Very important. That's why when you study biology, they can tell you that kidneys play a key role in regulating water and salt balance. Why? Because it is able, when you go into the details of biology, you will see some of the parts of the kidney helping in absorbing excess water which is in the body, and it is able to excrete it. So those are some of the functions, but then you can also give very many others, as you can see. Then part C, we say give any one disease that affects the above system. Now which one should I start with? We have very many diseases that actually affect the what? The kidney. But let me start with the one that disturbs very many people. Number one, UTI, which is urinary tract infections. Very many people have suffered from UTIs. okay? And then they start blaming it with this and the other one. And it is very, very dangerous not to treat UTIs. Number 2, we have heard of kidney failure. Kidney failure. We have also heard of kidney stones. Okay, there are very many diseases. I don't know which other ones as for you have heard about, but there are very many that you can have that affect the kidney. In case you have more questions, send us. Do not forget to subscribe, such that every time we upload a video in this holiday, you are able to learn something as you prepare for your PLE. Those ones who are doing biology, you can also get some hints. Otherwise, I wish you well. See you next time.